Let me start with something that might surprise you. Many people believe Fluticasone Propionate is a strong medication that's only used in extreme cases, or even that it can harm the body if used too often. But the reality is quite different. When used correctly, it is one of the most common and well-studied treatments for controlling inflammation in the nose and airways. And before going further, something important needs to be clarified. This medication has no nutritional value. It is not food, not a supplement, and it does not provide vitamins, minerals, or energy to the body. Its function is completely different. It acts as a corticosteroid, meaning it helps reduce inflammation in the tissues where it is applied, whether as a nasal spray or an inhaler. So how does it work in the body? Imagine your immune system as an alarm. When allergies or irritation occur, that alarm becomes overly sensitive and triggers symptoms like congestion, sneezing, or swelling. Fluticasone helps turn down the volume of that alarm. It doesn't shut it off completely. It simply regulates it so it doesn't overreact. My friend Rosa used to tell me that every spring her allergies were so strong she could barely sleep. After starting medical treatment with this type of nasal spray, she noticed that her congestion gradually decreased and she could breathe much better during the day. This makes sense, since studies published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology have shown that intranasal corticosteroids like fluticasone are highly effective in reducing symptoms of allergic rhinitis when used consistently. One of its most important effects is improving breathing by reducing inflammation inside the nose. It also helps decrease sneezing and nasal discharge, which many people experience during allergy seasons or weather changes. In addition, it may improve sleep quality because breathing better at night leads to deeper, more restful sleep. But here's the key point. This is not a fast-acting medication like a decongestant. Its effects are gradual, meaning they improve with consistent and correct use. And it should always be used under medical guidance because although it is generally safe, it can cause nasal irritation if not applied properly.